Hey y'all, I'm excited about this wig review because it is gray hair, which like I tell you all the time, that's probably the most requested thing that I get on here, silver or gray hair. So I'm excited about that, and it's because it's by a company that I've reviewed maybe 1 or 2 wigs by them. And if this one hits, this will be a company that I'll add into our regular rotation. So I'm hoping that it's a... If you look in that description box, I'll put all the details about this wig as well as a direct link to purchase. But before you purchase, let's check it out to make sure we like it. So the company that I got this wig from is Luvwin hair. And like I said, I've done 1 or 2 reviews on their hair, and I did like those. All I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I'm gonna keep it funky with you. I do everything on camera. So all I did was take it out of its DHL packaging, and the wig itself comes in this storage case with their branding on it. Then if I open it up, you have the wig. Oh, that's a pretty gray color. They've also included a baggie of extras. And let's see what's in here. In here, they have included some eyelashes, 2 clamps, some HD wig caps, an edge band with their branding on it. What else is this? And a rat tail comb. So actually, I really do like all those extras because sometimes companies throw stuff in there that I would never use, and these are literally things that I would use, including the little storage pouch that the things came in. So that is definitely a plus. The color gray that this wig is so extremely pretty, and you know, just like with burgundies and blondes and reds, the variation of the gray like varies. When somebody says I want to send you something salt and pepper or gray, what I will say is that this color is just gorgeous. That is such a beautiful gray blend. It's hard to explain it because like when I'm looking at it here, of course I see like the silver, I see some black in it, but it also has like a brownish blondish tint to it as well. That is such a gorgeous blend. Do y'all see that? And the curls are also very, very cute. So off the rip, I think that I am going to absolutely love this wig. But let's look at the cap construction. I can't remember which lace size I ordered, but like I said, if you look down in the description box, I'll be sure to put it. Construction on this wig is very nice. You get quite a bit of lace. You also get something that a lot of companies have stopped doing, not only combs, but 3 combs. 1 to the right, 1 to the left, and 1 up by the crown. So that's a definitely win. You also get a comb in the back. There's this band of adhesion that's going around the back of the wig. It's not sticky to touch, but it'll make it lay flat to the back of your head. And we have an adjustable and a removable glueless band. So cap construction off the rip is just a win. Also, I'm looking at this wig and they've already cut the lace off of it for me. So that's also a plus. Like, it's not gonna be anything for me to really do. This seems like it should be pretty easy, pretty straightforward. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on my head just right out of the pack so you guys can see what it looks like. Then I'll comb out some of these curls, give you a 360, and I'll come back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back. Y'all, I know that was really quick, but I think that speaks to just how unbelievably gorgeous this wig is. First, the other thing I want to say, if this wig had been in like a black, y'all, I would be falling all out over this wig, and I would be getting it in other, like I would buy multiples of this wig if it did. The reason why I'm glad that I got it in this color is because I'm so excited that these human hair wig companies are starting to see that people that have gray, silver hair, it does not need to be some full cap, you know, Usher Boy fresh looking wig. The fact that they are giving us styles like this and textures like this, cap constructions and quality like this on silver and gray hair, I feel like they are listening. Y'all know I try to do a gray or silver wig at least once every couple of weeks. We are now in July of 2025, and I must say this is in my top 3 most favorite gray wigs that I have done this year. This is just really, really nice. The color, the cap construction, the ease, the price point, the curls, the texture, everything about this wig is a win. And I know it might not matter to y'all, but I do appreciate this because now shrinkflation is real. Companies have stopped doing stuff like this. So I can appreciate those extras as well. This wig is definitely a win. I can wholeheartedly recommend this one. Looking at description box, and I'll put a direct link to this one, and now I have to go check my own link, y'all, because I need to go see if they make this in a black, because I have got to have it if they do. Talk to me in the comments, tell me what your thoughts are. Also, if you are somebody that is silver or gray, or you just want some silver or gray hair, tell me some styles that you want to see. Sorry. Also, if you do have silver or gray hair, or if you want some silver, gray, salt, and pepper hair, in the comments, please drop some styles that you would like to see in a silver or gray blend, because I am on the hunt for finding some versatile, good quality, awesome cap constructions, gray and silver wigs, because I feel like they should just be showcased more. So talk to me in the comments, tell me what your thoughts are, because I am absolutely in love with this one, y'all. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.